I am Joy Cox. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I serve as the ACPA Assembly Coordinator for International Divisions and Membership. As Assembly Coordinator, you are the liaison between ACPA and CTLPA. As such, you represent CTLPA in the planning, implementation, and assessment of Assembly activities and the Association's strategic plan. You provide CTLPA's voice, their input, and perspectives to ACPA. One of the projects that we are working on for next summer that I'm really excited about is participating in the ACPA's professional development opportunities in collaboration with the Global Design Commission. Our plan is to develop an academic advising institute. So, this is your opportunity to get involved with ACPA at the professional level and work with a group of knowledgeable leaders. We are going to boldly transform tertiary level education in the Caribbean.